I've been asked a lot, can you use custom filters on the new CampSnap 2 camera? And the answer is yes, and in this video I'm going to show you how. Also, this will work on your CampSnap Pro if you're lucky enough to have one of those. So what are the key steps? Number one, get yourself some custom filters. Either download them from somewhere like campshades.com or you can actually create your own on the CampSnap website. Number two, you need to change the file name in order to make it work on your camera. Now, this is easiest on a laptop or a desktop computer, keeping it old school, but it can work on a mobile as well. I have an Android phone and I use an app called Solid Explorer that lets me easily move files around. Just research what's best for your phone. Okay, so in this example, I have a filter from Campshades called Kino. I need to change that filter name to match the built-in filter names on the camera. You see these on the back display. You can cycle through them. So except, you have S, A for analog, etc. Now, I take that Kino file and I change the name of it to s.flt because I want that Kino filter to replace the standard filter based on this. It is vitally important that you match it exactly to what the lettering is on the back of this. So if I had wanted to change Kino into this camera to replace the Vintage 1 filter, it has to be V1 or it will not work, full stop. Once you've done that, take that file and drop it into the root folder of the camera. And you can see that in this image here. Not deeper into one of the folders or it will not work. Once you have done that, take that camera and eject it properly from whatever machine you're using, please, or you may break it. Once you have done that, and in my case, Kino has replaced standard on here. How do I know that's happened? Well, if you have CampSnap version 105 or one of the earlier versions, effectively their first camera, like one of these, when you did that, it used to do a lovely little CUS on there for custom that let you know it worked. This camera doesn't do that. How do you test it? Here's a good way to do it. Take a black and white custom filter and transfer it onto the standard thing on here, so S, the built-in filter S. Take a photo, look at the photo. If S on here is now a black and white one, you've done it. But it should work. Just follow this. So, to summarize very quickly for you, yes, you can use custom filters on a CampSnap 2. You have to get a custom filter. You have to change that file name to match the built-in filter lettering on this. So S for standard, V1 for Vintage 1, V2 for Vintage 2, so on and so forth. You drag and you drop that into the root domain, root folder on the camera, through your computer, eject it properly, bingo, you're done. I hope that's helpful. Please do ask any questions. I do have an affiliate link for CampSnap. You can see it in the comments or my bio link, or you can DM me for it. Please do that. You'll get some money off if you want to buy a CampSnap, but also it gives me a little reward for trying to help people. But please do ask any questions. This is longer than I wanted it to be, but it's super helpful, hopefully. Goodbye.